Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 9 how to delete a photo on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, navigate to the application called GRIDS, click on this. If you're not signed in, sign on, and then go to the right top navigation bar, click on your profile logo, and then go to the post that we are actually deleting. Click on this, and now go to the bottom right corner where we see these 3 dots, and we can click on delete. This will delete the photo from Instagram. Click on yes. Refresh the page again. And now we can see the post has actually been deleted. If we go to the website, instagram.com/our username, we can see the photo has been deleted of Instagram. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.